Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl the Quinn here, and I'm here with an exciting update video. Yes, you can tell by the title of the video and the 4 uploads that just came in all at once, I have re-edited and re-uploaded the Excel series. Yes, I've been getting a tireless amount of comments that the music in the background is way too loud and distracting. And I myself thought that because that was an earlier time when I was just starting YouTube, my audio editing skills weren't so perfect. I thought that the quality was just a bit too choppy and unprofessional, right? So I decided to sit and re-edit and re-upload the Excel series. So that is why you haven't seen an upload from me for 2 weeks now, because I've been working on this as well as other stuff that I have to deal with. But I'm finally finished. Hopefully you guys appreciate it, right? Trust me, Excel is an awesome tool to know how to use. You can get so many jobs by just learning how to use Excel. You can get data entry jobs. You can get secretarial jobs with learning Excel as well, because you can be able to capture data and you can be able to perform complex calculations with the data by using some simple Excel formulas. You can also create charts with it as well. So that is the update for you guys. I want to hear your feedback down below. Please don't let me sit down for 2 weeks editing this thing and I can't hear from you guys. I want to hear your comments about the new edits, right? And this is just to show you guys that I'm listening, I'm reading your comments. Might not be able to get to them right away, but I'm reading your comments and I'm trying my best to make you happy. So you can go ahead, share out this new Excel series to your friends. There should be no shame in sharing it now because the music is not too loud. They can actually hear what I'm saying and the audio is clean and nice to sit down and relax though. So go ahead, watch up the videos, learn how to use Excel, go out and get that job, and I want to hear the testimonies. If you got a job from learning Excel with my videos, I want to hear it. Also, if you have any additional questions or if you need any additional tutoring, you can feel free to email me via my email, which will be down below in the description, but I'll still tell you it's theequinnpublic@gmail.com. So that's theequinnpublic@gmail.com. Thanks again for your feedback and your support. Keep them coming and I'll keep trying my best to serve you. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time. Mwah!